Coming in hard and hot.
I'll tell you what we do have.
What?
That.
A bad taste of loving you.
You got that big thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it?
This is the FMS Ranger 1220 millimeters.
Or 1.22 meters.
That's right.
Yeah?
That's right. And
So, like,
this is deceptively big.
Deceptive.
It's very deceptive. We've got one built for you now because we've been doing some promos on these.
We're going to do a test flight.
Don't promise them that because I don't want. I don't want this one.
We're going to do a test flight.
I want the Mustang. I'm going to get the Mustang. We'll both get 750mm Mustangs and we'll go flying. They're so fun because they're low wing. They're very quick. Whereas this is a good trainer.
Can I start with the little one first? The Volantex one?
Yeah, sure.
Because it's the same controls, right?
Yeah, it's the same controller. All mode 2.
Mode 2?
We do mode 2 in Australia.
Yep.
So these are mode 2.
That's the only mode worth doing.
These ones come ready to fly with reflex.
RTF, baby.
Yeah, RTF. And I got one built up to show you. As I said, we're doing some promos. So this one is a green one. They also come in red and yellow.
Green's the fastest.
Green machine.
I do love a green one.
Simple assembly, couple of screws. I didn't put them in, so bear with me if it falls apart.
Yep.
But with the screws, it'll be all nice and sturdy.
Taut like a Toyga.
Taut. And some people think that if you get a smaller plane, it's going to be better for a beginner. But sometimes around the 1000mm size is still a nice size for beginners because it's a lot bigger.
They're stable.
Stable, you know.
Yeah.
You can see it.
Because when it's, that's the other thing, right? You
Yeah.
can see it.
You can't really, it gets hard sometimes when you're flying away. And
it gets hard all the time, baby. Even at my age.
you. But to stay there, I'm going to get it.
I'm here.
I have to bend down really inconspicuously.
Do you? I'm not looking. Uh-oh.
Hasn't fallen apart yet.
Uh-oh.
Holy moly. Did you see the box for that thing?
Yeah.
This fits in it.
No.
Yeah. This is what came out of that. This is what came out of that box.
1.22 meters. It doesn't even fit in that. Look at it.
Holy moly.
And it makes some cool sounds. Because it's brushless and lipo.
They need to be screwed in. The nose does need to be screwed
in. The nose does need to be screwed in.
So Brett has obviously just done a mishap and, you know.
Well, this is much like me in trains. And the other thing that I like the noise of, it's a bit of stimulation. It's got suspension on the front end.
It does. It does. If you come in for a hard landing on the front.
Which I would.
Which you absolutely would. It's got a nice piece of suspension. It just clips on.
Clips on.
But you've got 2 screws that go in the front. Just here and here to hold it on.
I love it. It's 3S powered.
It is.
Yeah, so it's going to go.
My biggest thing with anyone starting RC aircraft is when you're stressing, cut the throttle.
Cut the throttle?
This is 3S powered, so it's going to pack a punch.
Is it?
With that motor. Yeah, absolutely.
How fast would it go? I mean, I don't know. Is that a question that you ask plane people? Car people?
Really? Like, you're probably looking at maybe like 50 k's an hour. But it's not really about how fast you can go.
Can I dress it up? Could Nev fly with it, or let it upset it? Be too heavy?
It would probably, the whole aerodynamics of this plane would be off and you might just stall.
Okay.
But the balance, like they all got a center of gravity. So you can take
this to your local oval and fly it, or is it too big for that?
It's a bit too, you might want a double oval. But you could.
A big outdoor area.
Be very careful. But yeah.
That's what's good about the 400mm ones, right? Because you can like take them to pretty much any.
Even the 750.
Even 750.
That's the one I had. 750 was perfect for a rugby oval.
Yeah?
Yeah, because I was in Brisbane, so lots of rugby ovals.
They're square.
They are square.
They're not round, are they?
No, they're not.
Weirdos.
They're not. But yeah, I took it to the rugby oval and flew it, and it's a lot of fun. But yeah, biggest mistake I ever made, pushing that throttle up and making everything 2 times quicker when I was stressed, which made me only more stressed. So cut your throttle, you've got a lot more time to react. And then you can
will glide okay, right? Somewhat.
Especially something like this.
Fly.
High wing aspect aircraft is designed to sit in the air and go just like a very comfortable speed, can plod along.
Fly me to the moon.
Whereas the low wing, the lift is a lot harder at lower speeds. You have to be going a bit faster.
Yep.
For it to fly straight. So yeah, that's my biggest piece of advice. But this thing's amazing.
Great price.
This thing comes out of the box. Yeah, absolutely. For something ready to fly.
And comes battery charger, everything, right? Just stick a couple of AA's in the transmitter.
Yeah.
Assemble it.
That's right. We have,
and it's not too big to put in your boot. Like most cars will fit this in, right?
No, you can. It's got a quick release for the wings as well, so it's pretty much just the length. So you just take the wings off. I'm not going to do it.
You've done it now.
I've already done it.
You've done it now. I made the same mistake before.
It's held in with a carbon rod. So what you can do is you can just fold these up, or you can undo them like that.
Yeah.
And then that's what you take into the airfield, like so.
And you just quickly pop it in, plug in the servos.
Yep.
Bob's your uncle, Mary's your aunt, and you're off flying planes.
That's right. FMS Ranger and carbon rod.
And carbon rod.
And the carbon rod that's on the floor. There we go. What do you reckon?
I am a huge fan. I've never really done an RC plane, but I think
this would be the one.
I think 2026 is going to be the year of we go flying. What do you think?
Let's do it.
I think we should go flying.
Let's do it.
That is fantastic, man.
Beautiful. All right, let me put this back on the floor.
I love the wheels. I love it. It's all textural.
I know, right? It's all scale.
Scale.
Scale flyer.
Not sure what scale. 1.22 meters. Oh, 1220 millimeters.